Hello YouTubers, and welcome to Deals Prime Review channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing review of the Teclast A12 tablet PC. Now this is a 10.1 inch 10-point multi-touch screen tablet surrounding Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich. We'll figure out what exact version it is shortly. So let's just check out what this tablet comes with. The back of the box. Oh, let's see the box. The box doesn't really have any information. It does have a sticker though here. It says A12 black, 8 GB, and this has the phone number of the factory. Now we've been waiting for this tablet for a long time, so here it is. Here are the accessories. Comes with a wall charger. This is an American style plug. If you're in the UK, you get a plug like this, a plug adapter free. If you're in Europe, or this is Australian or New Zealand, and then if you're in Europe, you get the round style plug for free. Comes with earphones, 3.5mm jack, a USB cable, data cable, and an OTG cable, so you can plug in the keyboard case or a mouse. Now back to this fabulous tablet. We'll look at the back. This is the black version. It says A12 Teclast Tpad. The rating is 5V, 2000 milliamp. Designed by Teclast, made in China. Okay, the ports. It has a 5V power in. This looks like a reset pinhole button here. 3.5mm headphone or earphone jack. Micro USB port. Volume up, volume down. TF card or micro SD slot. Looks like a microphone hole or below there, and the power button. Here there's a protective film on the back, but there's a speaker vent right there. No camera on the rear. There is a camera here though. Again, you can buy this at dealsprime.com. Stay tuned for our second part where we'll be going through some of the pre-installed menus and the pre-installed apps and going through some of the menus. So just a preview of what part 2. There we go. Okay, so stay tuned.